अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। दोस्तों, चंद दिन पहले आपने एक मुरब्बी साहब का इंटरव्यू सुना जो किर्गिस्तान से आए थे और वहीं की पैदाइश है, लेकिन उन्होंने अहमदियत कबूल की। अपने वालिद को कहते थे कि दूर करना चाहते थे, लेकिन ख़ुद फिर अहमदी हो गए। तो अब यहाँ किर्गिस्तान के एक बिज़नेसमैन हैं, ये भी अहमदी हुए हैं बाद में। तो इनसे बात करते हैं कि इन्होंने कैसे अहमदियत कबूल की। ओके, फर्स्ट यू कैन इंट्रोड्यूस योर सेल्फ अ बिट।
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Murzayev. I am 32. I am from Kyrgyzstan. And we come first time to Jalsa Salana. And today I have meeting with Huzur. First time.
Yeah.
I'm really, I feel too much excited. And after meeting, I feel like I get more rich.
More rich, spiritual
more
rich person.
Stronger.
Oh, very nice. So it was your first opportunity to meet Hazur.
Yes.
Okay. And you told me you have been 15 people together here.
Yes, we came around 15 people.
Now, how old are you? You told 30.
I am 32.
So, but with which age you accepted Ahmadiyyat?
I accepted Ahmadiyat 13 or 14, like this.
Mid 4. And how you got? Normally this age is for the young people to have a fun in the world, but you got spiritually changed. How it happened?
First time I meet with mother of our Murabbi.
Yes.
And she just teach me how to read Quran.
Okay.
First time I doesn't know about Jamaat.
Okay.
When I used to come to Murabbi's house, some people told me they are kafir. I don't understand what happened.
Okay.
And I came to Murabbi. So my teacher's son.
Yes.
He was Murabbi.
Yes.
And I come to Murabbi and ask what is it? Why they are
Saying kafir.
Say you are kafir.
Yes.
I
Yes.
see you are not bad guys. So why they say like
Yes.
this?
Yes.
After that, Murabbi show me difference, explain me
Right.
what happened.
Right.
After that, I accept.
Okay, I tell some in my words, then we continue that. जी इन्होंने बहुत ही ज़्यादा ईमान افروزبات बताई है कि किस तरह कुरान करीम जो है वो इनकी हिदायत का बायस बना। जब ये 14 साल के थे तो एक मुरब्बी साहब की जो बेगम से कुरान मजीद पढ़ने जाते थे, तो कहते हैं मुझे बाद लोगों ने कहा ये जो तुम कुरान पढ़ने जाते हो तो ये तो काफिर लोग हैं। फिर मुझे इश्तियाक पैदा हुआ कि मैं पता करूं काफिर क्यों कहते हैं इनको। फिर इन्होंने जब पूछा तो वो मुरब्बी साहब ने बताया कि अहमदियत की मुखालफत में जो लोग हैं वो ये कहते हैं कि ये मुसलमान नहीं है। फिर मेरा इस तरह जो दिलचस्पी बढ़ी और फिर मैंने जब मेरी आंखें खुली या मुझे एग्जैक्टली पता चला कि फ़र्क क्या है और ये क्या मानते, फिर मैंने अहमदियत कबूल कर ली। पर अच्छा, then you are in this age you are sure that Ahmadis are Muslims and you have to be Ahmadi. You came with your family to Ahmadiyat or?
No, I convert just me.
Yourself?
Yes, my parents are Muslims.
Okay.
But they are not really religion people.
So, they are not very religious.
Yes, but I am happy and I am razi for them because they are not stop me, not push me.
Okay.
They are just leave me
Okay.
to get my religion.
Okay.
And they are still support me. And I am happy to be Ahmadi.
Very nice.
After that, I marriage and my wife also convert to Ahmadi.
After marriage?
Yes.
Okay.
No, before marriage.
Before
she
marriage.
convert. After
She is
that,
also from Kyrgyzstan?
yes, she is also from
Okay.
Pakistan, and we come together.
She is well educated, like university, or she studied about Ahmadiyat. What are you told her that what is it?
Before marriage,
Yes.
I explained and told her.
Yeah.
After that, she converted.
So you became automatically a murabbi, a missionary for your wife.
Yes.
Okay. And what kind of business you are having now there?
I have shoes and clothes shop.
Okay. And when the people come there and they know this man is Ahmadi, and the opponents, the other people who say these are kafir, they try to say the people, oh, this is a shop from kafir, don't go there.
No,
No, it's
Never.
in Kirgistan. It is not
Kyrgyzstan.
like in Pakistan.
Yes, yes.
If in Pakistan, maybe you have never heard, it is written on the stores. They say, in this shop, entrance is only for the Muslim. No Qadiani, no Ahmadi is allowed to buy here something. It is like in big cities, but it is, yeah.
We haven't.
And what you were 3 days on Jalsa,
Yes.
and you enjoyed there much.
Yes. Very well.
Okay, thank you very much for giving some words. Thank you.